We are currently on the test attempt settings of the Testing Center module. This page allows you to oversee participants in all tests and surveys. You can assign new candidates, remove those already assigned, view candidates' reports, and keep track of their progress. The following views are available. Test attempts. Assign candidates to testing sessions or remove those already assigned. View their test attempts and grade them accordingly. Monitoring. Efficiently manage and monitor test attempts from all tests on one page. Review candidate recordings and grade them as a proctor. Special accommodations. Handle special accommodation requests for the test, whether responding to existing requests or creating new ones. This can include special accommodations like additional time, screen reading, and others. Special requests. Create and review special requests sent to candidates by the proctor during the test attempt. Import results. Process and view all staged import batches. In this field, you can see the name of the assignment. Select the testing session for which you want to see test attempts. Click the plus icon to change the testing session or add a new one. Select one from this table. To assign a new person, you can click the Assign Candidates button and choose a testing session. Then click on Assign Candidates. Select one or more people from this list and confirm your changes. In the table, you can perform many different actions with both candidates who have and have not finished their test attempt. Select a few of the candidates from this list and click on the Actions button. Under this option, you can verify all attempts for the selected test. Once verified, changing the grading setting will not affect candidate scores. Verify selected attempts. Once verified, changing the grading setting will not affect candidate scores. Revert verification for the selected attempts. Test attempts will become changeable again and will be affected by the latest test grading setup. Mark selected attempts for review. Remove Mark for review from the selected attempts. Mark selected attempts as did not show up if candidates didn't take the test within the allotted time. Only attempts with the status not attempted can be set as did not show up. Remove did not show up status from the selected test attempts. Send group email notification. Define the subject and text of the email to be sent to selected candidates. You can do a data transfer. Export test results via system job. Also, you have additional filters under the table header. Filter by test attempt finishing time. Display test attempts completed within the selected date range. Filter by testing session end time. Display test attempts that belong to testing sessions completed within the selected date range. Filter by test result importing time. Display test attempt results imported within the selected date range. Filter by delivery preference. By clicking this checkbox, you can show suspended attempts. And by clicking this one, you can show inactive users. Apply these changes or clear the filter completely. Allow the candidate to continue their test attempt if they accidentally close the window. Preview the candidate's previous attempts. Optionally, open the desired report for a specific previous attempt. Reset the test attempt for the candidate. After the reset, the candidate can initiate the test again within the testing session availability period. Set to 0 grade. Overwrite the candidate's current score and set it to 0. Mark for review the candidate's test attempt. Change version of the test for the candidate. Suspend attempt and invalidate the results. Additionally, if there's not been an attempt, you can change the session. Change the testing session by selecting another one in this drop-down menu. Markers did not show up for candidates that didn't appear in the arranged time. Delete the attempt. Click this button to open the personal report of this candidate, and click this button to verify the attempt made by this candidate. If you want to hide specific columns from this table, click on this button and uncheck the columns you want to hide. After making changes, click Save Table Settings to save the table layout for your user account. You can also export the language table with all the information in formats of Excel or PDF. Please refer to the Help section or watch our instructional videos in the application's top right corner for further information or assistance.